Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. So today we will discuss regarding the day-to-day maritime news according to national news and international news. So national news we will discuss regarding to the Indian country as a whole. So first news is Uthaiya Kumar takes charge of Maritime Association of nationwide shipping agencies. The other news is Indian logistic industry is set to undergo a transformative shift with the operationalization of dedicated freight corridor across western and eastern geographic area. The third news is India's agriculture and processed food products export have grown at the steady pace in spite of logistic challenges, and export of agri products rise to USD 20,674 million. The other news is the construction of Pandu ship repair facility in Guwahati to start from May 2022. So what will be need of this facility? This will boost the northeast waterways and boost inland water transport. That's all for the national news. Now we will discuss regarding some international news. Port of Antwerp will expand railway network with Germany, Austria and Italy. This will offer a maximum flexibility and possible disruption in supply chain will improve. The last news is according to Drewry, the risk of ongoing COVID will remain high like last year. Thus, supply chain disruption and market volatility. There will be a possibility that port and terminals will remain congested and availability of empty containers will be a big issue to the exporter. If you like this our information regarding the news, and if you like that we should come with the daily news, please share and comment to our videos. That's all for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.